Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Bitcoin video up 4.27% in green, looking nice and dandy, riding up, trying to get above some kind of moving averages. We're gonna see what's actually happening there. And we're gonna see if this day is gonna continue ending in green, or are we seeing some kind of more downside. That said, check out the links down below for the Telegram, for the Patreon, for the subscribe button. There is also some share button down there. You can also comment below the video. All kind of stuff's happening below the video, so check that section down there. That said, let's get into the chart, see what's actually happening with Bitcoin. So yesterday we had a big candle, a red candle over here that wasn't actually very nice. It wasn't actually very nice. It was quite terrifying, almost 7%, 6.94%. That's terrifying. Like for Bitcoin, the drop down 7%, like that's big. I'm sorry about that. But as higher up we go, these candles will be more and more volatile, because the more and more parabolic moves you have bigger stretches on the upside, but you also have bigger stretches on the downside. So that's why people are fearful. That's why people are scared for every move to the downside, that this is gonna be end of the bull run and stuff like that. That said, we are not fearful. We are just looking that everything is happening should be now. Now this is quite, actually technically it looks bad. Like it looks bad because this support down here was actually broken yesterday. You can see down here we broke through that support. Fortunately, we are getting right back up again, and we are hitting this 10 and 20 moving average. You can see here this red line, that's the 20 moving average, and the white line, that's 10 moving average. These are very important. Also, we have been actually sitting above the 50 moving average. That's the yellow line up here. Unfortunately, we broke through everything yesterday, and today we are trying to get back up again. If we can just get back up again above the 10 and 20 moving average, we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be golden. So that's all I'm asking for from Bitcoin, is that we get back above the 10 and 20 moving average, and then maybe next day we can even get above the 50 moving average, and that's gonna be super nice. Now, if we can all get all the way up here today, or even higher than that, like yeah, you know 100,000 in 2 days. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but you know, it can be very, very nice if we can manage to do that. Now all depends on what's gonna happen, but I just want to tell you that right now this candle was actually quite terrible for Bitcoin. It was very a lot of fear has been going around. People have been selling, of course, because like 7% down and all the alts are crashing and stuff like that. Now fortunately for us, we are gaining back some ground and we are going up. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hourly time frame, and on the 4-hourly I'll show you some signs of bullishness, some not all signs, but some signs of bullishness. And there is this thing called RSI down here. It's a very nice indicator. We also call it here on the channel rubber band indicator. Basically you don't want to stretch too far away from the some kind of 50 line in the middle here. If you do that, then you are high. Sorry, if you stretch too much on the upside, you are too stretched out, and if you stretch too much on the downside, you are too stretched on the downside. Basically, it's a rubber band effect, right? Anyways, look at the price here. I want to see a look at the price. The price is going from over here. It's not going. It's going a little bit up upstairs. It's going. Sorry, not this one. This one over here. We want to use. You can see the price is going a little bit up. It's not going straight sideways, it's going a little bit up, right? But here, between these bottoms, between this one and this bottom over here, you can see that the price, sorry, the RSI, this rubber band indicator, is going in the opposite direction. This is called RSI divergence, or as we call it here, rubber band divergence. Now, what does rubber band divergence mean? It means that we are probably bottoming out here on the 4-hourly time frame, and that this should actually turn around and continue going up. And that's a good thing. As you can see here, we did bottom out and we are continuing going up. It does mean that we are going to go to 100,000, but it does mean it gives us little help, little hope that we can actually bounce enough to get above certain moving averages. So what kind of moving averages do we want to get above? So let's clean the lines just for a second and see what's happening now. So on the way down, let's which line are we going to start looking at? On the way down, we broke this blue line. That's 100 moving average. This is on the 4-hourly time frame, also important time frame. Then we got back above it, then went below, then above it again, and we stayed above. So 100 moving average we managed actually to take back. We broke the 50 moving average up here. We tried to hold it, but we broke through it and then found some kind of support on the 100 moving average. But right now we are looking to break this 50 moving average. Let's see where the 10 and 20 is. You can see that we are right now starting to climb the 10 moving average. So these moving averages, and this is 200 moving average, so all moving averages has purpose, and when you drop through the moving averages, what's happening then, you start to climb, you are trying to climb smallest moving average to the biggest, or the fastest to the slowest, because slow moving averages are the big ones, the 200, and the fast moving averages are the small ones, like with the 10, like this one, the 10 moving average. Let's clean up the lines a little bit. So the first thing we want to do is climb up on this 10 moving average. The second thing you want to do is climb up on the 20 moving average, and then since you are already above the 50, that's fine, but you want to climb the moving average. At the end of it, you want to climb this 200 moving average, get up. So basically, to have a strong uptrend, you have to be above all moving averages. That means we have to get above this level up here, that's at 56,915. So until we are above 56,915, we'll put a number over here, 56,975. Let's say 57,000, because it's a very nice round number. We cannot be actually too bullish. We have to get above all the moving averages. Unfortunately, that's the way the game is played, and we have to get above the moving averages. At one way or other, we will do that, but first thing first is climbing the 10 moving average, then the 20. We will already be above 50 moving, and so forth. So rejection of the moving averages, meaning if you start going up over here, now we get rejected, cannot break the 10 moving average. That's rejection, and probably is going to push us even further down. We can also climb the 10 and get rejected by the 20 moving average, and 20 moving average might actually push us down. All of these moving averages are acting as a resistance because they're above us, and these are moving resistances right now. So technically we want to just get above the 57 level, and we're going to be above all moving averages. That means that they are now going to be acting as supports, and we really have very strong support below us. Let's see how that looks on the daily chart time frame. You can see the daily time frame getting above 57,000 means we get back above the 50 moving average, and that's the important one. So I would like that we can close above 10 and 20 moving average up here, and I would also like that maybe even get all the way up at 57 today, but I'm not sure if you can do that. If you do that, superb, very nice. But can Bitcoin do like 6-7% in a day? Yeah, it did it over here. Here it did like 10%. So it is possible, but I don't think we are in that in the end times of the bull run, where the volatility is like 15-20% right now. But we need to get back above the level over here, and I'll show you just right now that the same thing is happening on the small time frames. This is the level we actually have to get back up to be bullish. So we are not quite bullish yet. We have some room to catch up. I mean, a lot of people are expecting us thinking we are bullish because we are up 4% on Bitcoin. All the alts are in green. I don't think there is a single alt that's in red right now. Let me just see. I got a list full of alts over here. No, not one alt is in the green. Let me see if is something in red. Yes, there is something in red. One, yeah, Mahadao, Alp, Pulf, Base. What's more in red? Celsius in red, Percus, and RBC. Okay, yeah, yeah. There are a few small altcoins that are in red, but most of it, like 99%, is in green today. So of course it's hard to imagine this can actually fall through further down. But I'm telling you, don't buy the cow before the cow shows that it can deliver the milk. If Bitcoin wants to deliver the milk, it has to get close above the. It has to close above 10 and 20 moving average, and when it does that, it's gonna be golden. So right now it looks good, it looks nice. What's gonna happen? We just have to keep on following, but you know where the target lies on the move upstairs. So keep on watching what's gonna happen on the move up, and hope we get there soon. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the stuff below the video. You know, the links, very nice links. See you around. Bye bye.